know that. I know I keep calling and texting. I don't mean to be annoying, but this is me trying. I don't know if or when you'll ever call me back, but I'll keep trying. I don't know what else you expect me to do. I hope you'll listen to this all the way through. I don't really know where to start, and I don't want to say the wrong thing, and I know it won't mean anything unless it's coming from the heart, so I just want you to know that I'm sorry.
What's done is done.
No.
There's nothing I can do, Bojack. I'm not real. None of this is.
So what do I do now?
Bojack, it doesn't matter.
Well, if it doesn't matter, can I stay on the phone with you at least?
Okay.
How was your day?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah. My day was good.
You look lonely. I can fix that.
Stupid? Of course nobody understands you. Nobody can ever understand you. The only one who can take care of you and understand you is you, yourself. So you must take care of yourself.
Do you ever feel like you're living the same day over and over again with only like a few things being different?
You did nothing but show me your love and friendship. You made me smile and laugh like I haven't done in years. And Max Caulfield, don't you forget about me. Never.
God fucking damn it!
I love her more than anything.
I wish you'd stayed.
I wish I'd stayed too. Now I wish I'd stayed. I wish I'd done a lot of things. I wish I had... I wish I'd stayed. I do.
Well, I came back downstairs and you were gone.
I walked out the door.
I don't know what's wrong with me this way. I don't know how I could be so stupid.
Stop that now. Come on. Come on. Come on. I love her more than anything. No, no, no.
I can't do this shit no more, bro. I'm sick of this shit. Oh, why? Why do you go in the fucking wrong direction? Oh, come on! I can't do it. I can't fucking do it.
You picked me! Name one fucking time in my life have I ever missed you. Tell me I'll wait